and close. Go ahead and open. Close. Close. One more time. Close. Open up. Close. Open up.
Oh.
Drop it.
Oh.
Drop it.
Oh.
So she's coming up real short. Right side. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adjusting right in the mid back first, okay? Okay, nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Good, release. One more time for me. All the way out. And one more time. All the way out. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. How'd that feel? That was a loud one, huh?
Yeah, that was good.
All right, a little bit closer to me. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. So go ahead and open up and close. Open up and close. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of muscle work here, okay?
Okay.
So just keep opening and closing for me as I apply some pressure. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. And close one more time. And close. Very good. So go ahead and open for me. And close. Go ahead and open. Close. And one more time. And close. One more time. Open. And close. One more time. And close. Very good. So go ahead and open up. Close. One more time. Close. Close. And a few more times. 1 and 2. Very good.
Oh my god.
Feels much better, right?
Yeah. It's crazy.
I'm going to go across the jaw here. I'm just going to come underneath. So go ahead and open up. Close. Open up. Close. Open up. And this time we're going to open and close. And open and close. Check it out. Go ahead. Close. Wow, much better. Very good. So we're still getting a little bit of shift, but the popping and clicking is a lot less,
Yeah.
so that's definitely a good thing. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. And point your toes down for me.
Oh. Oh my god.
How did that feel?
Oh my god, so good.
You get a good release of that?
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. So head right into my hand. Just relax that shoulder for me, okay? I'm just gonna get into position. Now drop the head to the left, drop it.
Oh. Oh my god.
How did that feel?
Good.
Awesome. And head right into my hand. Good. Relax that shoulder for me. Good. Now just drop it to the right, drop it.
Oh. Oh my god.
Good. How did that feel?
Good.
Awesome.
I can turn.